Hello and welcome to our channel, friends. If you are looking to understand the ins and outs of media planning, you have come to the right place. Today, we are going to delve into everything you need to know about crafting effective media plan, crucial elements, audience analysis, crafting budget, mistakes to avoid, and more. I am Thamizharasu, leading business coach from India. I am looking forward to help you to accelerate your business growth. Please contact me. And also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more and more informative videos. Now, let's get started on media planning.
1. Understanding the crucial elements of a media plan. First, let's define what a media plan is. In simple terms, a media plan is a strategy for advertising. It outlines where and when to place ads to reach your target audience. Some crucial elements include target audience, media mix, timing, and budget. 2. The role of audience analysis in crafting a media plan. Understanding your audience is key in media planning. It helps you select the right channels and create messages that resonate. By considering demographic information, psychographics, and behavioral data, you can target your ads effectively. 3. Media plan, traditional media versus digital media. When it comes to selecting your media channels, it's important to understand the difference between traditional media, like TV and print, and digital media, such as social media and online ads. Both types have pros and cons, and the best choice depends on your audience and objectives. 4. The process of media planning, a step-by-step guide. Now, let's walk through the process of creating a media plan. It involves defining your objectives, conducting a market analysis, setting a budget, selecting media channels, implementing your plan, and measuring results. 5. Creating a budget for your media plan. When it comes to budgeting, the goal is to maximize return on investment. Consider the cost of different media channels and their potential to reach your target audience. Remember, the most expensive option isn't always the best one. 6. The impact of market research in a media plan. Market research provides valuable insights into consumer behavior and market trends. It's an important tool for developing a media plan that will connect with your audience and drive results. 7. How to measure the success of a media plan. To determine if your media plan is working, you need to measure its results. Track key performance indicators like reach, impressions, engagement, and conversions, and use this data to optimize your plan over time. 8. Incorporating social media into your media plan. In today's digital world, social media is a powerful tool for reaching and engaging with your audience. From choosing the right platforms to creating engaging content, we have to incorporate social media into your media plan effectively. 9. Media plan, mistakes to avoid. Like anything else, media planning can come with pitfalls. We'll discuss common mistakes and how to avoid them. List of common mistakes with tips to avoid them. 10. The future of media planning. The world of media planning is always evolving. We'll end by looking ahead at trends like AI, data-driven strategies, privacy concerns, and immersive experiences. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time.